Losing weight doesn't mean giving up the food you love. I eat crispy fried chicken every week and I'm still dropping fat. So today I'm showing you 3 easy high protein meals you can dump in the air fryer and have ready in under 15 minutes. And I'm currently in a calorie deficit, but these are the exact meals I eat every week so I can still lose weight, but actually enjoy my food. On the menu today, we're gonna start with a crispy honey fried chipotle chicken, crispy salmon teriyaki bites, and a chimichurri steak and potatoes. First up, we have crispy honey chipotle chicken tenders and broccoli. This one is such an easy recipe. So we're gonna start with the chicken. I'm gonna show you my secret way to make the crispy chicken and then the special sauce that takes like 2 minutes. So for the chicken, I have some Greek yogurt. This is always my secret weapon for cooking chicken. No matter how you cook it, it is going to help keep it moist and tender. And then just some panko crumbs in here, but I'm gonna season these. So I'm gonna put a good helping of garlic powder just so it kind of covers the top. There's no measurement for this, we just season it up. And then paprika, and I'm gonna put a little pinch of salt in there as well, mix it up, and just kind of coat that nicely. This is gonna go straight into the air fryer as I do it. And then as this cooks, we're gonna prep the sauce. So I'm just gonna spray this real quickly. I'm gonna start just cutting this chicken. These are already nice and thin pieces. I just want them smaller so that they're more like strips. Once you have all your chicken, you're just gonna coat it in that Greek yogurt. Once it's coated, you're just gonna take it straight into that panko, right there. So I filled about half the basket with that chicken. I'm gonna spray a coat of the avocado on top. Again, that's gonna help bind everything in and give it that nice crisp. And then you're gonna take your broccoli florets and just however much you want, add them in, fill them in the space there, and spray a little bit on top. You can see everything is ready in the basket. I'm gonna put the lid on it and set it for about 12 minutes. And while that works, I'm gonna make this special chipotle sauce, so I'll show you how simple it is. So Lukey wanted to help me with this one. So we're gonna make the sauce. We gotta do 1 whole cup of this Greek yogurt.
How much honey did we put in there?
That whole tablespoon of honey mixed in there.
And not
Can you stir that together for me?
Yeah.
Great. We're making a chipotle honey sauce. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lime. You wanna help me squeeze it?
Yeah.
Squeeze. And you can always add more lime depending on how tart you want this. We're gonna add some garlic and salt, and then we'll add the chili. 1 pinch of salt, and then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic.
Now mix it up.
Yeah. Chipotle peppers and adobe sauce, and I'm gonna chop these and mince them super, super fine. You can also blend this up, but I'm just gonna try to keep it simple and not have more dishes. I'm just gonna mince up 1 of these. They're already nice and mushy, so it's pretty easy. All right, I'm gonna drop this straight in and stir it up. You can see these are already getting nice and crispy and golden. I'm gonna flip them over because we're right at that 6-minute mark. So both sides get that crunch. Toss my broccoli and let it go. And in 12 minutes, the perfect fried chicken and crispy broccoli. So I'm gonna plate this up and give it a try. All right, here's a true taste test. It is so nice and crispy. That sauce is the perfect balance of sweet and spicy. And again, you can make it your own. And if you don't like your broccoli this crispy, you can add it a little bit later in the cook, but I just love when it gets all crunchy crispy. This crispy fried chicken, charred broccoli, and sweet and spicy honey dipping sauce comes in about 300 calories and 42 grams of protein. So if you are trying to lose fat, you cannot beat a meal like this. Meal 2 is one that has changed how I eat my salmon. You guys are gonna love this one, so let's dig in. Next up, I have my crispy salmon teriyaki bites. And if you ever were intimidated by salmon or taking the skin off, this is the best hack in the whole world. So to prep the salmon, I just got my big filet, and I used to always fight with the skin. I don't like the skin on my salmon, and it would take forever with a knife. But I learned this little hack where all you do is pour a tiny bit of boiling water on the skin of the salmon, let it sit for a minute or 2, and it peels it right off. It is so simple. There literally couldn't be anything easier. And then I just cubed up my salmon. And this takes all of 5 minutes to prep this entire meal. The 2 main ingredients are gonna be my teriyaki sauce, which I shared in my sauces recipe just a couple weeks ago. So if you haven't grabbed that yet, this takes a couple of minutes to throw together and is the most versatile, delicious sauce you'll find, and a little bit of almond flour. After you've taken the skin off and dried your salmon, gotten into those cubes, you're just gonna coat it in the sauce, and then take your finely ground almond flour and sprinkle it right into the bowl. Once that's nice and well coated, we're gonna do another coat of the avocado oil spray right in your basket of your air fryer. Toss this in. Make sure it's spread nicely so everything has a little room to breathe. And then a quick spray on top. And we're gonna toss our asparagus straight in the basket with the salmon. Lid back on, and we're gonna cook it for 12 minutes. 12 minutes, the salmon and asparagus is done. I just put some pre-cooked rice in a bowl, and I'm gonna top it with this deliciousness. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And here's the thing, if you are trying to lose fat, your best friend is going to be veggies because you can eat so many of them. They add that volume without adding a lot of calories. Plus you're getting fiber, which is gonna help you feel more full. That plus all of this protein. And as you can see, we don't have to cut carbs, right? We just have to eat the right amount of them, but we need them for our hormones, for our body and energy. Drizzle my sauce on top. Add some fresh chopped green onion and a little bit of sesame, just because it makes it look extra, extra pretty. You will want to be eating this on repeat every week. The salmon is that good. Even if you're not a salmon person, you need to try this one. It is one that tastes like takeout. It has about 38 grams of protein in it. And here's the thing, if you really can't do the salmon, you can always do tofu or chicken cubes. They're gonna cook in about the same amount of time. But really fast, if you've been liking these recipes so far, do me a favor, hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I do giveaways every single week for my subscribers. And this week, I'm gonna be giving away my Hot Body meal plan. This is a 4-week meal plan to help get you started on your weight loss journey with new recipes and a day-by-day plan to really give you guidance to lose fat and see results. So if you wanna win that, all you have to do is be subscribed and drop a comment down below. The last air fryer recipe on the menu today is steak bites with crispy potatoes. I am so excited about this one, especially the chimichurri. I'm calling it my cheater's chimichurri because I do it the lazy way, but it is just as delicious and takes like 30 seconds to make. I'm starting with some grass-fed sirloin. I love doing a sirloin because it is such a lean cut of beef. You don't have to worry about a bunch of fat on it. It's already trimmed down, super, super lean. So this is a great one, especially if you love red meat, but you're trying to lose weight. So I just cut that into little strips and then I'm gonna season it just with a little bit of salt. Not too much, we're gonna keep this very simple because the sauce is gonna do the work. As always, we're gonna spray in the base. I'm gonna throw about 6 ounces straight in here and then we'll start cutting those potatoes. I've said this before, I will say it again. Regular old potatoes are gonna be such a game changer in your weight loss journey because they're one of the most filling foods. You can eat a ton of them for very, very, very little calories. I'm just gonna grab a couple of these potatoes about the size of one medium regular potato, and we're gonna start dicing them up. Just cut those potatoes into nice thin rounds like this, and we're gonna line them in the bottom on the other half of our air fryer. Nice spray on top. We're gonna throw the lid on and cook this for about 10 minutes, and while it cooks, I'll show you how to make my super simple chimichurri sauce. While our steak and potatoes are cooking up, I'm gonna show you how to make this simple chimichurri sauce. I do mine blended, and that's why I say it's cheating, because normally you're gonna chop up and dice up all the parsley, but if you are short on time and you just wanna get that flavor, just throw everything into a blender. You'll just start with 1 cup of packed fresh flat leaf parsley, 3 or 4 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and salt to taste. Now, if you're like me and you like things extra spicy, you can do more red pepper. Just make sure you measure out the vinegar because if you do too much, it is going to taste like you put too much vinegar. Once you blend it all together, you're gonna get this nice green sauce. Again, a traditional one is gonna be more of an olive oil base and you'll see kind of everything chunked in there. But this one really blends all those flavors and brings them all out so much faster. Our steak and potatoes are done. The potatoes are perfectly soft, starting to get that little bit of crisp. You can see the crisp on the edges of the steak here too. I like my steak well cooked, not red, but if you want it more rare, then just pull it out a little bit early and you'll be good to go. And then I added some of that asparagus. So I have a nice whole plate here. And this chimichurri sauce is what makes this look like a $40 steak restaurant dinner. And that is my perfect steak and potatoes from the air fryer, under 450 calories and 44 grams of protein. This is a perfect meal if you are trying to lose fat and maintain or even gain lean muscle to make sure you're getting enough protein, carbohydrates, and of course, some of those greens. So that's it, super simple, 3 meals, every single one under 450 calories, about 40 grams of protein, and they take less than 15 minutes each to make. I love sharing these recipes with you girls, and hopefully it shows you don't have to eat sad boiled chicken and broccoli in order to lose weight. You can still enjoy the foods you love. You just gotta make little tweaks to them. They can be simple, quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Again, if you like these recipes, you like videos like this, do me a favor, hit the like button and drop a comment down below. Let me know which types of recipes you guys wanna see next. I am still working on putting together that YouTube recipe ebook for you. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a new one each year with all the recipes from the year. And so if that's something you guys want, again, let me know what kind of recipes you want to see in the upcoming videos the rest of this year. And now it is time to share the winner of last week's subscriber giveaway. Like I mentioned earlier, every single week I do a giveaway for my subscribers as a way to say thank you for being here and a part of the community. So if you want to win this week's giveaway, which is that Hot Body Meal Plan, make sure you drop a comment down below and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. That is your entry into the giveaway. But now it's time to announce our winner from last week. So we do a random drawing from all the comments, and our winner is Sarah Worth 265. Congratulations, Sarah. Send me an email so I can send you out your prize. All right, girls, that is it for this week. Don't forget, you are more than a body, but you only get one. So take care of her. Love you. Bye.